Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up on Binance using the mobile app. From peer-to-peer trading to futures trading, in a simple and easy way. First, I'll explain how to sign up on Binance. Please install the Binance app on your mobile phone. Once the installation is complete, open the Binance app. To create an account, tap Sign Up. Create your account using your email address or phone number. Please check the agreement box below. Then tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. Next, set your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. After that, you will see the inviter registration screen. Please make sure to tap Yes. You will then be able to enter a referral ID. Enter BB222 to receive a 20% Binance trading fee discount and bonus rewards, so I highly recommend entering it before completing your registration. Next, you will proceed to the identity verification step. To use peer-to-peer trading and withdraw features on Binance, identity verification is required. First, please select your nationality. Next, select the ID you will use for identity verification. Here, you can see various types of document options. Most users usually choose a passport. To verify your ID, tap Take Pictures. Align your passport within the camera frame, then take a photo of the information page. Next, proceed with facial verification to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, and complete the required actions step by step. Then, your identity verification submission will be completed. Now, the identity verification review will take about 1 hour. You will see the status change to verified. Now, let's set up Google Authenticator. Return to the home screen, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner, then tap the arrow in the top right corner. Please tap Security. Select Authenticator app. Tap Enable. Complete email or phone verification. Then, you'll see the Authenticator setup screen. First, copy the 16-digit key shown here. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once installed, open it, and tap the button in the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. For the key, paste the 16-digit key you copied earlier. Then tap Add. A 6-digit code for Binance will be generated. Copy this 6-digit code, and tap Next in the Binance app. Paste the code into the Authenticator app code field. Then, the Authenticator app setup will be completed. To trade futures on Binance, you need to switch to Pro mode. Return to the Binance home screen, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner. If the button shows Binance Pro, tap it once to switch to Binance Pro mode. Second, I'll explain how to use Binance peer-to-peer trading. To deposit funds on Binance, you'll need to use peer-to-peer trading. First, tap Assets at the bottom right of the screen. As you can see, the Futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading, and the Spot wallet is used for spot trading and holding your main assets. Please tap Spot first, then select Add Funds. Here, you'll see several deposit methods available. In this video, I'll explain the process using peer-to-peer trading. First, tap this button at the top right. Then, select the currency you want to trade. When you tap this button, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Most users typically choose USDT. Then, tap this button, you can enter the amount you want to trade. Tap this button, you can select your payment method. Below, you'll see a list of advertisers. I recommend trading with advertisers who have high trading volume, a high completion rate, and many positive reviews. Now, select the advertiser you want to buy from. Then, tap Buy. Some advertisers may require verification. Please enter the amount you want to purchase. And make sure to check the advertiser's info. Next, tap Place Order. Then, the advertiser's information and bank details will be displayed. Before making a deposit, be sure to check the chat. When making a deposit, please make sure that the account holder's name and account number match. Now, proceed with the deposit using your selected payment method. Once the deposit is completed, tap Upload Payment Proof. Next, please upload at least one payment proof. Then, check the consent box below, and tap Transferred, Notify Seller. Once the advertiser confirms the payment, your USDT will be credited to your spot wallet shortly. Third, I'll explain how to trade Binance futures. To start futures trading, you first need to transfer your coins from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Tap Spot Wallet, then tap Transfer. Transfer from spot wallet to USDM futures. Select the coin to transfer, and enter the transfer amount. After a short while, the funds will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, tap Futures at the bottom right corner. The futures trading screen will appear. Tap the section in the top left corner to select the coin you want to trade. I'll choose BTC USDT. Tap this button to set the margin mode. Cross mode uses the entire margin balance to open a position. Isolated mode uses only part of your margin. If you're a beginner, I recommend the safer isolated mode. Tap this button to set the leverage. You can set leverage up to 150x. The higher the leverage, the higher the potential profit, but the risk of loss also increases. If you're beginner, I recommend using low leverage for safer trading. Now, choose your position direction. If you think the price will go up, select Buy. If you think the price will go down, select Sell. Here, you can see your available margin. Below that, tap this button to select the order type. Choose between limit and market orders. Set the order price and quantity. If you expect the price to up, choose Buy Long. If you expect the price to down, choose Sell Short. Tap the Positions button at the bottom to view your active position. Here, ROI shows your rate of return. Entry price is the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current market reference price. The liquidation price is the price at which your position is automatically liquidated. Tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, to close your position, tap the Close button. Choose between Market Price Close or Limit Price Close. Enter the price and quantity, then tap Confirm. Your position will then be fully closed. In today's video, I showed you how to sign up on Binance using the mobile app, from peer-to-peer trading to futures trading, in a simple and easy way. If you have any questions, or find anything difficult while watching, please leave a comment and I'll respond as quickly as possible. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Thank you for watching.